Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Dispenser Switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new dispenser switch. The dispenser switch tells the refrigerator when to dispense ice or water when you press the lever. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the refrigerator is not dispensing. In order to change this part, we have to take the control panel off. We're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to remove the screw that holds it in from the bottom. Now that we have the screw out, we're going to use a putty knife to get behind the control panel and pop it out. Just want to carefully get between the control panel and the door frame. We're just going to release it. Then you can come up to the top and to the other side. Once you have everything released, you can carefully pull the assembly out. And we have to turn it over so we can unplug the wire harness. We only have to unplug the one wiring harness that comes from the fridge. There's a locking tab on it. You just have to press it and pull the harness off. Once you have it free, you can set the control panel assembly aside. Now that we have the control panel off, we have access to the dispenser assembly. We're going to remove this water line so we can take it out. We're just going to take the small flathead screwdriver, kind of pop the water line out and pull it out from down here. Once you have it out of the way, we're going to grab the Phillip screwdriver and remove the two screws that hold it in. Now we can pull the dispenser assembly out. The switch is located over here on the right-hand side. So we're just going to carefully pull it out and turn it so we can see the dispenser switch. Then we're going to take the wire harness off. It's all combined into one piece. So we're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop it off. Once you have it free, there's a little locking tab right here that holds the switch in. So we're just going to bend that while we lift the switch off the pegs. You don't want to bend it too far and break it, just enough to get the switch off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dispenser. Here's the old dispenser switch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new dispenser switch in, you just want to line it up with the pins that it mounts on. And you want to make sure that the button is over there by the lever. And then you're going to have to take the flathead screwdriver and bend the locking tab over so you get it on. Once you have it in place, we can grab the wiring harness and plug it back in. It can only go on one way. Line it up and plug it in. We're going to turn the dispenser around and make sure the wiring harness for the control board isn't in the way. We're going to lift it up into place. And we can use the Phillip screwdriver to put the screws in. Before you put the water line in, you want to make sure that the wire harnesses are kind of up and out of the way. And then when you put the water line down in here, there's a little catch where the water line has to go. You just want to reach up behind and make sure the water line goes in there. And then we can use the back of the flathead screwdriver to press on the water line to snap it in. Once you have it on there, we can put the control panel back on. To put the control panel assembly back in, we just have to grab the wiring harness, and plug it in. It can only go one way, so make sure it goes on and snaps in place. And then we can rotate the assembly around and push it back into place. Once you have it lined up, we can push on it so it locks into place. Once you have it in place, we can use a Phillip screwdriver to put the screw in underneath. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.